While having this beautiful walk by the magnificent Gangotri Glacier, I was just thinking, or I just started thinking that what actually is religion, and why, what is the true meaning of religion. So from what I believe and what I always think, religion is a path which shows us how to live life. It tells us how to treat other human beings. It tells us how to love each other. But nowadays, religion has completely taken a new form. People are fighting over religion. People are killing each other over religion, on the name of religion. Whereas each religion says that humanity is the biggest religion in all the world. I don't know any of the religious books or text says that you need to kill humans to be superior, or any of the religious gurus or any of the gods, maybe Lord Shiva, Allah, Jesus, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, any one of them ever preached to kill each other for the sake of religion. I think we humans have just found our own form of religion as an excuse to fight and as an excuse to just keep on showing the other person down. I'm not sure how people differentiate religion apart from being a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian or a Sikh or a Jew. Does he differentiate that, oh, he's a Hindu, he has to get this much amount of oxygen, or he's a Christian, he has to get this much amount of oxygen? I don't even think this holy river Ganga differentiates between a Hindu or a Muslim or a Sikh or a Christian. It gives its blessings and water to everyone. Everyone drinks it. Even the animals don't know the meaning of religion. It's not that, oh, I am a cow of a Hindu. No, I am a cow of a Christian. I am a cow of a Buddhist. So the birds, animals, and all the nature around, no one knows religion apart from we humans. And all the fights all over the world are happening on the name of religion. How can one person be different from another? We all have the same body structure, eat the same way, drink the same way, walk the same way, have the same human body parts. I don't know any scientist would ever discovered or done research on bodies of Hindus, Muslims, Christians and Sikhs and so on to differentiate that, oh, the bodies of people are different. The aim of just giving my thoughts is that why are we just stuck in this stupid structure that we humans have ourselves created? We are just stuck in our own world and just trying to prove to ourselves that, oh, I'm the mightiest of the all, or we are the mightiest of the all, and we need to prove ourselves. The only thing that we don't understand or don't want to know is that the best religion is humanity. And I know many people say best religion is humanity, but to understand it very deeply, you have to first stop taking yourself as a Hindu, Muslim, Christian or any religion or faith you belong to, and you have to first start thinking that you are a human being. Everyone else around you is a human being. No one is inferior to you and no one is superior to you. We all are born with the same Atma. And Shri Krishna has clearly said in Gita that each soul takes birth from my soul and in the end emerges into me. So we all are a part of that eternal one creator. May you call him Krishna, may you call him Shiva, may you call him Allah, may you call him Guru Nanak Dev, may you call him Jesus, or may you call him Buddha, anything you want to call him. But at the end, the creator of each one of us is that ultimate power sitting above, and he or she knows that we all are just fighting for a stupid cause. So be human, try to love each other, stop these fights all over the world. Don't and the biggest problem to that is again our ego also. So if I'm saying that we are human and you're listening it, you will have thousands of questions or thousands of comments to prove and say, oh no, my ego says that. How can he say that religions are not different? But that is the ultimate truth. When death strikes, it does not ask you your religion, it just comes, and it will not differentiate between your religious sects. So stop being stupid, stop killing each other, stop fighting, stop proving on the pretext of religion and say it is my dharma. The biggest dharma in this world is to be a human, to be good to each other, and to just be nice to this beautiful Prakriti, which we are all destroying with wars and bombs and I don't know what all. So think on it. The mind is your slave. So whatever you think, whatever you believe, you'll follow that. But for a second, if you have some time, sit down and understand that what actually all I said meant, and if that is logical to you, best of luck. If not, then there's a famous saying in Hindi, Vinash Kalin Viprit Buddhi. So may God bless you all. Hari Om.